We'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Free Fire Max app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, so you just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. So it's going to take you to apps list here. When you click on apps, then here you're looking for Free Fire Max app, or just click here on search, then here at Free Fire Max. So it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. Just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.